After term of yearly annual meeting, so where we keep it a very important position where everybody need to practice yourself, make video yourself, and check you gesture everything good, not good, talking professional, not professional. You make video yourself, and then you check the video, then you understand. 6 months, yeah? 6 months, month by month goes up. We feel like we find the way. Okay, online team, so catch the chance, know this is very good. Successful already. Yeah? Money I have, people have, what do not have, mind do not have, problem. Quality I think is very good. Because it's showing, mashallah, showing very clever, smart way. And the best, you compare the normal shop, normal businessman. The best you should compare with me. My standard. Already better than every shop in the market. They have confidence on me. They have quality confidence. They see me, they have confidence.